Picture this. You're over 30. You work hard. You show up every day. You don't feel reckless. You don't feel irresponsible. But somehow, every single month feels like a reset button. Your paycheck hits, bills swallow it, your savings barely move, and you keep telling yourself, I just need to make a little more money. Meanwhile, you look around and see people your age buying homes, investing, traveling, building wealth, and you're sitting there thinking, what am I doing wrong? If that question has ever crossed your mind, this video is going to feel uncomfortably personal. My name is Alex, and I spend way too much time thinking about why smart people stay broke longer than they should. If you make decent money but still feel financially stuck, anxious, or behind, hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you. Because today, we're not talking about motivation, we're talking about habits. The boring, invisible behaviors that quietly keep people broke well into their 30s, 40s, and beyond. And here's the uncomfortable truth. Most of these habits feel normal. Some are even praised by society. But together, they absolutely destroy your financial future. Let's break them down. Habit number 1, confusing income with wealth. This is the biggest one. Most people believe, once I hit a certain salary, money problems disappear. That's false. According to the Federal Reserve, nearly 36% of Americans earning over $100,000 still live paycheck to paycheck. Read that again. 6 figures, still stressed, still stuck. Here's what most people don't realize. Income is what you earn. Wealth is what you keep and grow. If you make $90,000 and save $12,000 a year, you're in a stronger position than someone making $140,000 and saving nothing. But society rewards looking rich, not being rich. And that mindset leaks into everything else. Habit number 2, lifestyle creep. Now you might be thinking, Alex, I deserve to enjoy my money. And you're right. But here's where things quietly go wrong. Let's say you get a $10,000 raise. After taxes, that's about $6,500 a year, roughly $540 a month. What do most people do? They upgrade the car, move into a nicer apartment, add more subscriptions, eat out more often, and suddenly that $540 is gone. No increase in savings, no increase in investing, just a more expensive life. Psychologists call this hedonic adaptation. You get used to better things fast, but the financial stress stays. So you work harder every year just to stay in the same place. Habit number 3, not knowing your real monthly number. This one is sneaky. Ask the average adult, how much do you spend per month? They'll guess, and they're usually off by 20 to 40%. Here's a real example. You think you spend $3,500 a month, but once you actually track everything, subscriptions, eating out, random Amazon orders, small impulse purchases, you're closer to $4,600. That's over $13,000 a year you didn't realize you were spending. This is why budgets don't work for people. They're guessing, and you can't optimize what you don't measure. Habit number 4, delaying investing to learn more. This one hurts because it sounds responsible. I just want to understand investing better before I start. But here's the reality. According to Vanguard, waiting just 5 years to start investing can reduce your retirement wealth by over 40%. Let's look at the math. Invest $500 a month starting at 25, you end up with about $1.1 million by 65. Start at 35, around $540,000. Start at 45, roughly $240,000. Same contribution, different timing. Time matters more than intelligence. You don't need to be perfect. You need to start. Habit number 5, treating debt as normal. Not all debt is evil, but consumer debt, that's a financial anchor.
The average American carries around $6,000 in credit card debt at 20 to 25% interest. That means every $1,000 you carry costs you over $200 a year. Guaranteed loss. Now compare that to investing, where people hope for 7 to 10% returns. You're losing money faster than you can make it. And here's what people don't talk about enough. Debt doesn't just hurt your math, it destroys your psychology. It makes you anxious, short-term focused, and afraid to take the right risks. Here's the good news. None of this means you're bad with money. It means you were never taught how money actually works. These habits are learned, and anything learned can be unlearned. The moment you stop chasing income and start designing systems, everything changes. Wealth isn't about grinding harder. It's about clarity, consistency, and boring decisions repeated long enough. If this video made you uncomfortable, that's a good thing, because awareness is the first step out. In the next video, I'll show you exactly how to reverse these habits step by step. Until then, stop judging yourself. Start changing the system.